I went to the worst Subway in all of America to get a damn tuna sandwich, man. Let's see what this thing hitting for. The lady told me it's going to be good with jalapenos, pepper and salt, pickles, and mayo. I just don't know. And pepper jack cheese on top of it. Ugh, got my stomach bubbling. Now, let me tell you something. I smelt that thing just like the McRib because you don't know what kind of meat in there. I tasted it after I dug into that thing. And after further review, in my head, I'm like, this ain't no tuna. This is a damn dolphin because ain't no way tuna tastes like that. That ain't it. That ain't the tuna that I grew up on. It was just nasty. Just straight nasty. I rate this a 0 out of 10. Hell to the no.